Hey everybody, my name's Tom. Welcome to the channel. Here, I love to talk about all things tech. From printers to drones and microphones to apps, I love it all. And today, although the unboxing segment might be a little dry, I assure you that the information I'm going to provide could potentially save you hundreds of dollars in your future iPhone, iPad, and iPod cable buying. Today I'm taking a look at the Anker 3-foot 3-pack iPhone, iPad, iPod cables. But it's not the only thing we're really taking a look at. This video is mostly focusing on this little piece of branding right here. It says made for iPhone, iPad, and iPod. And yes, obviously, these are iPhone, iPad, and iPod cables, but that little piece of branding is actually called an MFI certification. MFI, made for iPad, pod, phone. And that little certification branding is super important, and I never knew it. MFI is actually a licensing program developed by Apple for developers of hardware and software. It was made by Apple so they could have control over the quality and some tech requirements needed for their products. Now this is super important because while there are tons of products that don't have Apple certifications, I can guarantee you that 1, they're most definitely cheaply made, and 2, they'll probably stop working way before they should. And I can tell you, I have first-hand experience in this department. This is just an example of one set of cables that I've bought that were not MFI certified. Yes, they are 6-foot long, super fancy braided eye cables. But they're cheaply made once you start using them. The fabric rips. There's never a solid connection. And then when you get an iPhone and you plug it in, you get a message like, this accessory may not be supported. And then your phone stops charging. I've also bought adapters, ones where you're able to use headphones and charge at the same time. Not MFI certified. And ones where you're able to plug in a micro USB into a lightning cable. Also not MFI certified. These all have one thing in common. They stop working. Think of the MFI program as quality control from Apple. So while I've been using iCables for the better part of 7 years, I've only recently learned about the MFI certification. So while you're able to buy a Lightning USB cable from Apple for $19, you can also pick up a similar size product or multi-pack, much like this Anker box, where there are 3 of them in here, 1/10 of a meter shorter, for $19.94. If you guys are interested in checking these out after the review, I'll make sure to throw a link in the description below for you. So with that being said, let's just open the box and we're going to take a look at these. Now the package is nothing spectacular. It's just a soft cardboard box and boom, we have 3 cables. I actually like Anker products. I've been following them for quite some time, and I like the care that they put into their products. Obviously, going the extra mile to get MFI certification kind of speaks volumes, in my opinion, to a company that wants to make quality third-party products. Way to go, Anker. You did it. So each cable is, like I mentioned, 3 feet long or 0.9 meters. And they come with a branded wire tie right here. I like that. Keeping it clean, guys. No plastic in that bag. I actually anticipated them all being wrapped in plastic. I'm kind of pumped that they skipped on the plastic. They also have a customer service card saying contact us if you're happy, or contact us if you're not happy. I like that they give you both options. All 3 wires have a serial number located on the USB side of the cable. They're also branded Anker, and that's it. With the release of Apple products from now until the end of time, I highly encourage you to look for MFI certified products. It's something that developers should be proud of, especially going that extra mile to include quality control from Apple themselves. I hope this video helped explain to you what MFI was in its simplest terms and will ultimately help you make better decisions when picking and buying cables for all your future iDevices. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and watch another video. They're pretty good. I mean, I'm biased, but thank you guys for hanging out. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.